Union Biometrica develops tools for model organism research. VAST BioImager system is a tool for researchers who need to capture still or video images of large numbers of 2 to 7 day old sedated zebrafish larvae. By automating the handling of larvae prior to imaging, VAST avoids the time-consuming and tedious steps of manual manipulation of larvae for large dataset image acquisitions. VAST BioImager is a modular and expandable platform. The base VAST BioImager system allows for organ-level bright field imaging from its onboard camera. Available upgrade features allow for microscope mounting and communication with your upright microscope and camera, transforming your imaging platform into an automatic high-throughput, high-content imaging workstation. How it works. The VAST system draws zebrafish from a sample source into a glass capillary positioned in front of a high-speed camera. Once triggered, the system automatically centers the larva in the camera's view. A 360-degree rotation is performed where it captures test images to orient the larva in the dorsal, lateral, or other custom orientation for still imaging and video capture from the onboard camera. The larva is then flushed from the system, allowing the next larva to be processed in a similar manner. Various system operations can be run in manual, automatic, or a combination of manual and automatic modes, depending on user requirements. For higher resolution imaging, including cellular resolution imaging tasks for high-content screens, VAST can be mounted on mini models of upright compound microscopes or stereo microscopes using the optional high-resolution microscope stage and mounting kit. Please note, inverted microscopes cannot be used. When using the VAST in this configuration, after imaging with the onboard camera, the VAST follows a list of user-defined imaging jobs. Each job is a set of instructions to rotationally and linearly position the larva under the lens of the external microscope, allowing the user to manipulate their microscope and equipped camera to capture appropriate bright field and fluorescent images, before instructing the VAST to continue to its next job. Additionally, activation of the external communications package allows the VAST to automatically communicate with the external microscope and camera. In this setup, signals are sent back and forth between devices to coordinate the positioning and collection of each imaging job, with minimal or no user involvement after the system's initial setup. Once all imaging jobs are completed, the larva is sent to a bulk output collection container, unless a sort command is received instructing the VAST to send the larva to another location. Samples may be introduced using several different methods. Each VAST is equipped with a 50 mil conical sample mount containing a mixing sample probe. The mixing rate, oscillation, and loading speed are a few variables controlled by user input. If sample number is small or user pre-selection is desired, the VAST pipetter can be employed to draw individual larvae, one at a time, into the VAST system for sample processing. Simply position the probe's end near the fish and press the top button to draw up the larva. Pressing both buttons transfers the larva to the VAST sample line for automatic processing. Another option is the use of Union Biometrica's LP sampler to gently aspirate larvae from the well of a multi-well plate, allowing the VAST to process the contents of the well, unload the larvae, and flush the sample line before continuing the process for the next well and each location of the multi-well plate. In this manner, the VAST reliably performs the tedious steps of loading, rotationally orienting, and linearly positioning zebrafish larvae for the automatic collection of high-resolution and high-content images in a walkaway platform. Please visit us on the web for more information about our products, typical applications, and customer journal publications. For more information, contact sales@unionbio.com.